As part of our regenerative farming methods that we use, we do the cover crop planted here towards the middle of April, just before our first winter rain. And just have a look how beautiful it is. We have a mixture here of clovers, we have oats, and then we have lupin. Now the lupin and the clovers, they're a legume which fixes nitrogen into the ground so that we can try and move away as far as possible away from the fertilizer that comes from the fossil fuels. And because we use a regenerative system, we use chicken manure pellets, which are just enriched. We want to keep it as beautiful, natural as possible. And I have some sheep here. Within the next sort of 8-9 days, they're going to start lambing, and there's just so much food for them. And what we also do is, because this is so green and not quite strong enough yet, we put on some medic hay, so that they have nice roughage that goes through, the rumen. Of course, the medic hay, it's got more fiber, so it helps with the gut bacteria. The gut health is the most important thing, because through the gut health, you can stop the crypto sickness and so on when the lambs are coming. And we're hoping for a good season and have happy sheep and happy lambs soon.